In today's video, I'm going to show you how to handwrite on Google Docs. It's a handy skill to add a personal touch to your documents, whether you want to include your signature or just enjoy the freedom of drawing directly within the app. So let's dive right in and take this step by step. First things first, you'll want to launch Google Docs. Once you have your document open, it's time to start creating. Move your cursor up to where you see the Insert option at the top of your screen. It's usually nestled among other tabs like File and Edit. Give it a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a variety of different options available. From this menu, you'll want to select Drawing and then choose New. This action opens up a blank drawing board for you, a fresh canvas where the magic happens. Now fix your attention on the top of this drawing board to find a small icon labeled Line. Click on it, and among the options that appear, select Scribble. This choice essentially allows you to use your mouse or trackpad to draw freely, much like holding a pen to paper. You can start crafting your handwriting or doodling anything you fancy directly on the drawing board. Maybe you're adding your unique signature or perhaps a quick sketch of something relevant to your document. As you draw, you might find that the initial work isn't quite what you envisioned. That's perfectly okay. Part of the creation process is refining your work. Once you're satisfied with your drawing, let's talk about editing it. You'll notice that there's an arrow button as well as a selection tool available on the toolbar. Use these to select your entire drawing by either dragging across the drawing or creating a boundary box around it. With your image selected, you can now change the line colors to suit your preferences. A simple click on your preferred color option will make these changes effortlessly. But don't stop there. Enhance your drawing's appearance by adjusting the line thickness. This is done by selecting Line Weight, which offers a range from very thin to bold, allowing you to emphasize different parts of your creation as needed. Experimenting with these options ensures your drawing stands out exactly how you want it to. Satisfied with everything? Then it's time to incorporate your drawing into the Google Doc itself. You do this by clicking Save and Close. Your masterpiece is now preserved in your document for all to see. Remember, the key is practice makes perfect. So explore and have fun with creating drawings in your Google Docs. Want to customize your documents further in the future? Keep experimenting. There's always more to discover.